Reading Pioneers is proud to present Merry Christmas, Mom and Dad by Mercer Mayer. I wanted to make Christmas very special just for you, so I made a Christmas wreath. I wanted to decorate some Christmas cookies just for you, but I couldn't stop tasting them. I wanted to find a Christmas present just for you, but there were too many toys to look at. So I asked Santa to bring you a special present instead. I wanted to wrap the baby's present just for you, but the tape was too sticky. I picked out a Christmas tree just for you, but it was too big to take home. I wanted to carry the Christmas balls just for you, but the box was upside down. So I got out the Christmas lights, but they were all tangled. I wanted to put the star on top of our tree all by myself. So Dad helped. On Christmas Eve, I tried to go right to sleep just for you, but I was too excited. Dear Santa, I am very good. Please give me everything I want. I love you. Me. I didn't want to make you get up too early on Christmas morning. So I brought my toys upstairs to show you. Merry Christmas, Mom and Dad. Thank you everyone for joining us today with the story of Merry Christmas, Mom and Dad. This story is dedicated to my parents because unfortunately I'm not able to celebrate Christmas with them this year. But as Little Critter has tried, it's important to always try to help out your parents, especially during the holidays. My question to you guys is, what do you put on top of the Christmas tree? Is it an angel or a star? Comment below what you do for Christmas. I'd love to hear about it. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button and subscribe to this YouTube channel to keep up to date with further videos being uploaded by Reading Pioneers. If you liked this video, here are 2 other Christmas-related stories that you may enjoy as well. Unfortunately, that is all the time we have for today. So, until next time, I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year. Bye-bye.